Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Visa gift card to your DoorDash. Guys, actually really easy and simple. So if you already have a Visa gift card and you want to use it to order food, you can easily add as a method, just follow these steps I tell you. So once you just open your DoorDash app on your phone, okay? So if you're not already signed in, just log into your account. If you're a new user, just sign up, okay? And then navigate to payment methods. You just have to click on profile icon at the top left of your screen and you can see a drop down menu, guys. And then what you want to do is click on payment methods, okay? This is where you manage your payment options. What you want to do is add a new payment method, okay? And once you're in the payment method section, you can add a debit or credit card option. You're going to see that. This will prompt you to put in your card information. What you want to do is put in your details, such as your card number, your expiration date, the CVV at the back of your card, if you have a billing zip code associated with the card. And if you haven't registered your card yet, you need to register it with your local bank. You can assign it a zip code. And all you have to do is, guys, save the payment information, and then the DoorDash may charge a small amount to the card to verify it, but don't worry, guys, it will be refunded shortly after. And when placing your next order, once you've chosen what you want to eat, just click on Visa as your payment option and make sure there's enough funds to cover the total cost of the order, guys, okay? It's actually that easy and simple. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe and enjoy now using your Visa gift card.